your girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. And tonight, we gonna have some sushi. And I like mine fried, you guys. So I go to my favorite place here in Atlanta, Georgia. They have two locations. It's called Rock and Roll Sushi. So they have fried sushi. So I'm like, okay, where y'all at? I gotta hit y'all up. And so I only have 2 rolls today. And the first roll, this is gonna be my first time trying this one. And it's called the Sweet Home Alabama. And I'm dedicating that to, if y'all can see the receipt, it says Sweet Home Alabama. I'm dedicating that to my friends and family in Alabama, and also Jazz and Jarrell versus. Shout out to you guys in Alabama. So I got you they have different names on their menu, so that's what makes it so cool. Like they got the Michael Jackson roll or Thriller roll, and this one's called the Heart Roll because it's a rock and roll sushi place. And I have some crispy wontons. Hopefully you can see that. I know my green screen is on. And I just took those out the air fryer, so they probably be crispy. And it comes with some sauce. So dip that in. So I hope you guys having a good day. I was so worn out from yesterday, y'all. I went to bed early. I didn't eat late or nothing. I was so tired. I just finally didn't eat and go to bed on it. So I'm proud of myself with that. That's step 1 for me. Okay, and they got some soy sauce. I may or may not put some on. It's so good by itself. This one has crawfish in it. The Rock and Roll Sushi, it has crawfish, shrimp, jalapeno slices, peppers on it. My mouth is watering. Cream, mayo, spicy mayo on them, and so I said crawfish, shrimp, and I know I'm missing something. Crawfish and crab meat. Yes, and it's like fresh crab meat too. The Sweet Home Alabama one, it has smoked salmon in it. I know that much. I think that's the only thing. It don't have like avocado and stuff like that in it. So this is gonna be my first time trying that roll. So without further ado, let me try this one. Oh Lord, y'all. Chopsticks with nails, okay. Bear with me. Ooh, and I got some wasabi sauce too. I don't know how that's going. That wasabi sauce, boy, when you take that, make your brain think. Show y'all a little bit of close-up look. Wow. Oh, you taste that smoked salmon. I'm telling y'all, if y'all ever in Atlanta, Georgia, and want some sushi rolls, Rock and Roll Sushi. Get the heart. My favorite is the heart roll because they got everything in it, and it's fresh. It's good. This is good too. And I'm not a big salmon person, so I said I'm gonna try it out. Let me get this one. This one got the crawfish and everything in it, y'all. It's up here falling over. I'm gonna try to get y'all this bite. It's just falling over. I'm gonna have to hold this one. Look at that. All that goodness falling off of it. Put you right back on. And I'm so hungry. You know what? Because they piled so much meat on it, which is a good thing. I can't wait to dive into this. Let me show y'all that one. That is my favorite one, the heart roll. If you're ever in Atlanta, you will not be disappointed. Put some ginger on this thing. Struggle with these chopsticks. I am so bad with chopsticks. I'll be trying though. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it one day. One day. Oh, we got some avocado in it. This one look like it ain't gonna make it. Let me go ahead and help you out. This sushi is the bomb. So, I hope you guys having a wonderful Thursday. It's almost close to the weekend, y'all. Chopsticks with nails. Not a win. Okay, maybe I can get that bite. Meat overload. And that smoked salmon is really good. All right, sweet home Alabama. We lived there for like a few years. I was 9 years old when we moved there, or 8. And we lived there until I was 14. Then we moved to Indianapolis, Indiana. And that's where I graduated high school and all that back in 2002. Put some of that ginger on. That's really good. So I guess we all know the protesting is starting back up again. I would definitely like to take a moment of silence for Breonna Taylor. May she rest in peace. I can't believe how people are trying to blame her for her own death, or, oh, well, she shouldn't have been caught up with a drug dealer and stuff like that. I'm like, people don't value life no more. It seems like, what y'all think? It's like they don't. It's just sad out here. So sad. So sad out here. We couldn't do it to them. That's all I gotta say. So what are you guys planning for this weekend? Tomorrow's Friday. Any live streams? I may do a live stream. I said that for today, but I got in late, and I know it's going to take hours for this video to load up. So I want to do a live stream, my little first live stream, and do some things. So I probably won't go out this weekend. But let me know what you guys plan on doing or what videos you got planned on doing. And I'm not even a salmon person. Try these. They should be cooled off by now. These are crispy wontons. This place is a bomb, y'all. They got that rock and roll soul in them or something. This place is amazing. And I heard, well, the Sweet Home Alabama came from their first restaurant is in Mobile, Alabama. So they have a location down there. That's amazing. And the sauce is real good too. This place is amazing and it fills you up pretty fast. They may be a little bit pricey, but it will last you and get you full. This place is the bomb. I mean, I be driving like 20, 25 minutes, y'all. I be driving out of my way to get to this place. It's worth the ride. Man. Woo. I'm almost getting full. Come on, chopsticks, be my friend. I don't make it do what it does. Woo. Some ginger. Ginger is so fresh. It just don't stop. Well, all right, you guys. I just wanted to talk about one topic and show you, excuse me, this fried sushi and the crispy wontons. So again, shout out to Alabama. That was the theme, Sweet Home Alabama. Y'all how y'all rolled today. And I had my favorite roll. So again, if you're in Atlanta, Georgia, check out Rock and Roll Sushi. Until next time, peace and love.